Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya. Kita unboxing yuk. Ini barang gratisan teman-teman. Gratis gimana? Waktu kita masuk Kanada kan kita asalan kontrak itu ya, Telkom. Sekarang kita udah tahu. Jadi kita nada tang kontrak selama 5 tahun dan dikasih gratisan HP. Ada HP Samsung yang S25. S25 ini tapi bayar. Aku bayar beberapa dolar.
Telepon.
Dapat 5 gratis loh.
Telepon.
Aku minta Samsung.
They all have our name on it. Look at that.
Tuh.
This one is for Paul Dobson.
That is for
my
Paul
phone number.
This is no name.
Daniel.
Wow.
Cassandra. Carissa. It has the phone numbers and names on it. That doesn't have a name. These are the.
There's no name.
These are the Google. We get the Google 8A.
Oh.
Which is actually a Google phone. Google 8A. Okay.
8A. This one is Samsung Galaxy S20.
How come we get 4 Google 8A phones?
Masih di segel ya.
4 Google phones.
Enak kan di sini internet expensive banget kalau kita tahu.
But the gifts are quite nice. Would you like a phone?
Gratis.
Yeah, it's free. Well, the thing is, we sign a 2-year contract.
A 2-year or 5?
For the phones is 2-year.
Oh.
It's a 2-year contract, but they give you a. This is a $0 phone. They give you a free phone with the contract. However, your phone is not free.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Oh, I have to go to the mall to get cover.
Oh, you do. Look at the camera on the back.
S20.
Samsung
Oh,
Ultra.
they did not give for the charger and stuff.
No.
They just give you a phone. That's it.
That's gratuitous. But,
Oh, let me see what is inside. Oh, they have charger.
you get a charger, yeah, for you. For us,
You
I haven't opened it up yet.
try.
Okay, which one's well, I'll open it mine.
Ya sekarang beda nih. It's different with the other one with Samsung S22.
Is it better, you think?
I think so. Let's see
Well,
later.
it's a 25S, but it's Ultra, so it means it's bigger, right?
Yeah. Dapat gratisan. Ini mah nggak gratis, bayar. How much do I need to pay for this?
Well, that is actually, you need to return that phone after 2 years.
Oh.
Or you can have the option to buy it back. So you pay around $500.
I can pay it.
Oh, look at this. We got the charger in here.
Oh. I can pay only 500.
Yeah, it's up to you. It's a $2,500 phone for $500.
Yeah.
So that's the deal with yours because it's a better phone. This is $0. It's a Google phone for free. You don't need to pay anything. But
You're lucky.
well, it's better than my current phone. So I'm gonna switch it over. I'm gonna switch it over to the
This is
Google.
how many gigabyte?
I don't know. That's 512.
The 512?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Whew.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, thank you, Telas.
Thank you. Tell us. Well, okay. So this is one on these 3.
Tell us, who's that? The one you keep calling from Philippines?
Michaela.
Michaela. Yeah.
Yes. She's a TELUS rep.
Yeah.
But she's based out of the Philippines. Well, it doesn't matter.
Kita kan diteleponin Telas mulu gitu.
Well, these papers are quite sensitive because they have the names and phone numbers.
Yeah.
Do you want to know Daniel's? I'll give
Ada
Daniel's,
telepon numbernya
Daniel's
gitu.
personal phone number, right? No, you better not.
Don't do it.
We'll give Carissa's, Cassandra's, mine.
Yeah. Tuh, sekarang, next time we go to the mall to get cover and stuff.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah dapat telepon baru cuma 500. Only 500.
Well, it's still $500. You get it for a phone you don't use. I mean, I would think that you should use it next year.
My phone is not good already.
It's all right.
I will use next year if I do not make video, honey.
Well,
This I
okay.
make video. The
Well,
quality is
that's why-
different.
Well, we have a package. These are business lines, right?
Yeah.
We have a business.
So what do I need now? It's just to buy the cover and that's it.
These aren't personal. We have data sharing in the business.
Huh?
In the business, like all 5 of us, like we get like
Yeah.
2,000 gig of data. You have more data than you can ever use.
Oh,
Because we each get 250, but we share it.
let me see the Google thing. Let me.
What Google thing?
What the phone?
Yes.
You already put all
No,
inside?
I just only opened one. I haven't opened it yet.
Let's see one.
Okay, so we have. I'll put this here.
Daniel bilang to Daniel
One, we
download.
each get one, yeah. But what we'll do is we'll deal with them later. I think I'm gonna hold on to these ones, bro.
Yeah,
This is for Daniel,
yeah,
and these two I'm gonna hold on to.
yeah. Don't
Oh, we'll
give
see.
to this girl.
Not
No, that's still new. But Karisa is
wait,
old.
wait till there's damage.
Yeah. Oh, yours is nice. Better you use this one, honey.
Well, I'm not gonna. It's only a Daniel thing.
So lucky. Di sini enak kan? Kalau kita telaten ngomong,
Alone are around $600.
Huh?
Around $600 or $700.
really?
Yeah.
I
Just take
don't
the
know.
lid off because I'm gonna use my.
Oh.
I'm gonna start to
You need to charge it then.
Yeah, let me just.
This
let me
is
just charge
to
it.
get the SIM card, everything here.
Yeah. Okay.
Use that. The
Okay.
pin.
I'll put
Do I
that in.
have a pin?
I don't know. Your box is separate. I'm
Yeah,
keeping
I
mine
know.
here.
This is all yours.
This is to charge it. Can I charge in here?
Yeah. Oh, this is my pin. Okay, okay. Rezeki.
Okay, so hold it there. Is this charge? Where's my charge? Oh, here. But I wonder if this charges directly. Oh, yeah?
Nanti ditunggu ya. Jadi ini aku dapatnya lebih murah,
Oh,
lumayan.
no. Does this charge? You see? Is it charging? Oh, yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
it's charging.
This is our old system. So then we have another line to keep. So, it goes right here to here. Then what's this one?
That one is like you want to put in the laptop, I think.
Yeah, well, anyway, we'll keep
USB or
keep it in the
something.
box.
I will do it later, mine. Thank you, honey, for your headache. I thought it was a scam.
No, Talis, you'll be very careful about scams. When they said
Yeah.
free phone, well, no, this is not a free phone, but it's a deal.
Yeah,
It's
big
they want
deal.
to lock you up for a few years, and that's their job. She
Yeah,
says.
it's a lock me up. It's
The
okay.
agent was
Just,
saying that they get so many clients that they have to, when their contracts expire, they call them and let them renew it. So I was assigned to her. Okay, keep your thing. You took your cover off already?
yeah.
Okay, that's the client. And
Ini sayang banget ini.
so I'll give this to Dan tonight, and he's gonna
Ya.
give it that.
Oke ya teman-teman, jadi kalau kita bilang internet di Kanada mahal, memang beneran mahal. Di sini nggak mudah, banyak anak yang nggak memakai data gitu, ya. Tapi kalau ada deal gini, lumayan, ya. Ini juga di Hong Kong kita berapa tahun nggak pernah dapat gratisan. Justru di sini yang katanya mahal malah kita dapat. Gitu? Oke, semoga teman-teman rezekinya lancar dan kadang kita nggak boleh asal percaya dengan teleponan ya, karena ini juga kami kira adalah scam tapi ternyata bukan.